Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. My name is Dawit, and today we're going to unbox the new Traxxas 40th Anniversary Edition two-wheel drive slash. Well, I got mine at Havoc Speed. They're the #1 Traxxas authorized dealer in South Florida. For any of your Traxxas needs, they're a one-stop shop. And let's go ahead and unbox this car. Bam! I'm curious to see if outside of the body, if the rest of the car is different than the regular two-wheel drive slash. The front box panel has the front and side view of the slash two-wheel drive with the 40th anniversary body. And the top panel shows the chassis of the slash two-wheel drive. On the side of the panel here, because it's the 40th anniversary, it only has this cutaway. The back box panel shows the new servo of 2057, the GTR shocks, TQI radio. It also shows the new VX3 power system. And on this side is the side view of the car with the 40th anniversary body. Now I'm just kind of going through it pretty fast because I want to open it and I want to see if there's anything different on the chassis. So let's get to it. Here we go. To remove this, here's the body. For me personally, I probably will drive the car, but I don't think I'll run this body. This body will ever be ran. And just to do a comparison between these two. Yeah, so from what I'm seeing, everything else is identical. There's nothing different between this and this from a chassis standpoint outside of the body. So you can technically, if you have one of these, you can save the, like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save the body, but I'm gonna drive the car. For now, it's just gonna keep this pretty body and it's gonna sit on my shelf. But yeah, so that is the 40th anniversary body. I love the way Traxxas was able to include the US flag into their 40th anniversary body. I think it just looks amazing. What else comes in here? You know, this little small manual and yeah, and then you get your new TQI compact remote. There's really nothing different outside of the body. The rest is the same, which is no big deal for me. I'm not really, all I cared was for the body. I just wanted the body. So this is it. This is your two-wheel drive 40th anniversary body. There we go. See? 40 on it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this car and see what comes with the 40th anniversary slash two-wheel drive. Well, let me know what you guys think of it. Put in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.